Hi guys, this is my ampalaya plant and the supply is continue. Use this technique. Using this technique, the plants will deliver without the stress because of this. So the major scion or stem will not be harmed. So because of this technique. So this plastic cellophane and straw will clear this vegetable and use this technique continuous moist but not flood of soil to help the plant more absorbment of different kind of nutrients. Let's remove this some of metal. It's some iron. So my ampalaya plant will not struggle to supply their fruits like this. Like this, they made more fruits. So add some organic materials to feed them. There's 1, 2. It's all about 15 fruits. But I already harvested 4 pieces. One is too big and within the quality, and this is the 5 fruits, and I will let it be matured for us. I'll use this will make seeds, quality seeds. So I will let it be matured to orange yellow color. So this is the result of abundant supply of nutrients and water. So the techniques is always make sure your soil area in your ampalaya is always in a moist but in a nice drainage. Like this, I have a drainage area. So that's all. Thank you for watching. This is my study in my ampalaya plant. This is cow dung, some is organic. So this wing bin. So this is the major stem or roots. Okay, thank you for watching for tonight's video. #ampalaya.